Howdy folks, Ben from Snows today showing you the TOAKS 900mm Titanium Pot.
Hit it.
This pot features a titanium construction. It's got a wide base for excellent stability and heat distribution, a lockable handle. It's the practical solution to solo cooking wherever the trail leads.
Before we dive in, we've got loads more content like this on our channel, so make sure you like and subscribe below. Now let's jump into the product. This is TOAKS 900mm pot in its bag here. Weighs about 112 grams altogether and comes in this handy little carry bag, and this is certainly not an afterthought. This is quite a slightly padded carry bag here with a drawstring on top. Going to keep it protected in the bag and stop it rattling around. Now the pot itself measures about 14 centimeters by about 7 centimeters when it's all packed up. A little bit less with the lid. The lid adds a bit more in diameter there. But when they refer to a 130mm pot, they refer to the base here. So it is a little bit less by the time you get down to the bottom. So you've got a lid on top with a little handle there so you can lift it up to make it easier to grab when it's hot, or you can use something to lift it up, like a little stick or something to lift that up, and little steam holes in the top there as well. And that fits. It's got a nice firm purchase in the top there so it doesn't rattle around too much. Take that off, you've got a 900mm pot underneath with fold out titanium handles on the side there so you can grab it. Not much to see on the outside. You have got measurements on the inside here, 500 and a 300mm point inside there, plus ounces. On the bottom, bit of an indent so that it sits flat, also helps it stay on top of a stove. Otherwise, just titanium all the way around. So very handy little pot, 900mm, so you could cook enough pasta in there for 1 to 2 people. Pasta sauce as well, quite a handy addition. Plus it's big enough to fit other things inside if you like, stash your food and stuff. A bit hard to put mugs and stuff inside something like this or these other stoves because it's not quite tall enough. But you could store other things like your food items, your condiments, etc., etc. inside there. That is TOAKS 900mm pot and lid. Good addition if you kind of need something more than just a pot or a fry pan to cook on the trail. You're looking for more of a saucepan because you cook more, maybe pastas or rices and that sort of thing. Need a bit more space, a bit more of an open top to stir stuff around. Check these out online at snowies.com.au.